Welcome to Joey's Curiosity! If you think high-level geometry is nothing but dry formulas, rigid textbook grid counting, and tedious calculations that take all the fun out of learning, get ready to have your mind completely changed. In this video, we tackle a brilliant math kangaroo level 5-6 brain teaser called Symmetry in a 6x6 geometry grid, using pure logical thinking, spatial creativity, and an ingenious shortcut instead of mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. What is the smallest number of shaded squares that can be added to the diagram to create a design of 6x6 with 4 lines of symmetry? A. 1. B. 9. C. 12. D. 13. E. 21. This is the brief on solving grid symmetry math puzzles. So we're breaking down a classic visual math puzzle where you've got a 6x6 grid with exactly 3 shaded squares, and you need to figure out the absolute fastest way to calculate how many more squares must be added to create perfect symmetry. First, let's visualize the 4 lines of symmetry. You know, creating perfect symmetry on a 6x6 grid means balancing it across a vertical line down the middle, a horizontal one across the middle, and 2 diagonal lines. Just imagine folding a square piece of paper in half 4 distinct times. That action perfectly slices the grid into 8 identical mirror image triangular regions, also known as octants. Second, we're going to apply the rule of 8. Because the grid is split into 8 symmetric slices, any single off-center square automatically requires 7 identical mirrored partners to keep the whole board balanced. So what does this actually mean for our 3 starting squares? Well, since the 3 provided squares are in completely different starting positions and don't overlap, each one triggers its own completely unique set of 8 squares. Finally, let's use the mental math shortcut. Take the 3 starting squares and multiply by the 8 required positions to get 24 total squares. Then simply subtract the 3 squares we already have, leaving us with exactly 21 squares that need to be added. Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.